Actually, here is your account balance. This is my current account balance now. It shows here that I have 10,000 naira in my account. So I'm going to go ahead now to transfer 1,000 naira to my account, to one of my bank accounts. So all I need to do, go to the phone transfer, click the phone transfer option from the left menu. Okay. So in this phone transfer page, you first do to select destination bank. This is the bank that the customer wants to transfer the money to or deposit the money to. In my own case now, it's the GT Bank. So I'm going to choose Guarantee Trust Bank. And my account type is savings. You can either choose savings or current, depending on what the customer, where the customer wants to transfer the money to. Okay, if you're not sure of the account type, just put not sure. It doesn't matter, the transfer will still go. So I'm going to choose savings now. And I'm going to enter my account number here. Okay, this is my account number. Immediately after entering the account number, you click validate. And when you click validate, you will automatically bring out the customer name, the particular owner of this account to bring out his or her name. Now, in a situation whereby it does not validate, maybe it tells you that the number or the account number cannot be validated, then you have to confirm from the customer, ask the customer very well if the account number is correct. If the account number is correct, then you have to manually type the surname and the other names here. You manually type it. The transfer will still go. For Diamond Bank and Sky Bank, most of the time, they have network issue, so it doesn't validate. But for other banks, it's validated directly. Okay, so let's go ahead now. The names are there. So the amount field, you just enter the amount you want to transfer. In my case, I'm transferring 1,000 naira. 1,000. Now this is the account pin field. This account pin field, this is where you enter the account pin that you created when you first log in. Okay, in my previous video, I showed us how to create our account pin. Now, if you forget this account pin, there is no way you can continue with your transfer. So you must enter the account pin you created when you first log in to your agent account. So I'm going to enter mine now. Mine is just 4 digits. Okay. So in the beneficiary email field, you can leave it blank. It's not compulsory, just leave it blank. Because we know that not everyone has email in Nigeria. Okay. Now in the beneficiary phone number field, the beneficiary phone number field is for the person that is actually receiving the money, so that the person can receive an alert from us that his account has been credited with the amount that was transferred. In my case, I'm transferring 1,000, so the benefit my phone will receive an alert of 1,000 naira from Fasttopups. So I'm going to enter my mobile number here. Okay. Now in the sender name field, you have to put the name of the customer that is sending the transfer or doing the deposit. If it is self, you just put self. That means if the customer is depositing into his own account, you put self there. But if it is a customer who is sending money to someone else, then you put the person's first name here and the last name. In a situation whereby you have just the first name, just put Mr. The last name, put the first name there. Or if it's a Mrs. In the first field, and the other field, you put the person's name there. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna put Mr. Louis. All right. So now in the sender's mobile number or sender's phone number field, this is where you as the sender you have to put your phone number there. Okay, you put your phone number here so that you or the customer, rather the customer as the sender, not you. Okay, because you are the agent. Now the customer who came to do the transfer at your shop, okay, that customer you have to put that customer's mobile number here. It is not compulsory. The sender number and the receiver number is not compulsory. You only put this where you want to get an alert from us that the transaction was actually successful. Okay, so you put it the customer number here so that the customer also can get an alert from us. In this case, I'm going to leave it blank. I'm not going to put anything because I don't want to receive two SMSs. So you click continue. Okay, Now, on this page, you'll be able to verify the account you're transferring to. Okay? In my case, it's a Guaranteed Trust Bank account. My account number is correct. My account type is savings. The amount I'm transferring is 1,000 naira. My name is Louis. Other names, yeah, my beneficiary phone number is this. Is correct. And we charge 100 naira convenience fee. Now, for every phone transfer you do on the platform, if you are transferring, as I'm transferring 1,000 naira now, if you are transferring 8,000 naira, we are going to charge your account for 1,100 naira. Now, we will return 30 naira as your commission, your agent's commission. Okay, the other 70 naira will be shared between us, Switch, and the bank. Okay, so make sure that your account balance has at least 1,100 naira. If not, you will not see a pay button here, but rather you will see insufficient funds. Okay, so in my case, I have sufficient funds, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer it now. So all I need to do is click the pay. But for now, if you notice any error here, you can use the back button here to go back. If not, you can pay. So in my case, I'm going to pay. You can pay now. Maybe you click the pay, do not click anything anymore, just wait for it to complete. Okay, as you can see, the transaction is successful. I've just gotten the alert now. Okay, so here it is. The status here, pay attention to the status field. The status here says approved successfully. Okay, if the transaction did not go through, it will show failed in the status field. So this transaction was successful. Now, what you need to do, if you need to give the agent a receipt or the customer a receipt, make sure you already have your X printer. X printer, 80 mm printer is what we use for printing. All you need to do is to click this print button here. Print. Okay, the print button will automatically invoke the printer. Okay, from there you can print whatever you want to. You can print the receipt and give it to the customer. Okay, so this is basically it for phone transfer. Now, to keep track of your transfer or to review the transactions you've done for phone transfer, you can just use the transfer button, the transfer history button. Okay, I'm going to go there now. All right, here's the transfer history. In the transfer history, this is the transfer I just did. Okay, Guaranteed Trust Bank, my account number, the amount to transfer, the experience name, the date and the time of the transaction, the status which is approved successful, and the amount you earn is 30 naira. Okay. Now you can also print it from here in case maybe a customer loses or receipt. You can go to your account history, use the person's account number to search. You can use this to search with this field, put the account number here and search. Okay. Then when the transfer comes out, all you need to do is print it. Should they come and say, okay, maybe they didn't receive the funds and all that, all you need to do is simply use the account number to search. When you see it, confirm the amount that is it. What you need to do now is to click the print button, then copy the transaction details or just the account number and send it over to us. Call us or contact us and give us a complaint concerning it. If there's actually an issue, we will verify and see how we can resolve it. Okay, so this is basically it for phone transfer. Now, look up here where you have the total earned. This is the total amount that you have earned from phone transfers. Okay, this is the total amount that have been debited from your account for phone transfer, which is the amount you have paid out, 1,100. This includes the 100 naira charge, and this is the number of transactions you have done for phone transfer. This mine, in my case, is just one. Okay, so that is basically it for phone transfer. Thank you for listening to me today. You have